In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious pepperoni pizza recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need pizza crust, 1 cup of cheese, half a cup of pizza sauce, and half a cup of pepperonis. We're going to remove the pizza crust from the box. We're going to place the pizza crust onto a pizza pan and we're going to shape it into a circle. Add the pizza sauce and spread out evenly all across the crust. Add an even layer of cheese on top of the pizza sauce. Top with the sliced pepperoni. Bake this in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our pepperoni pizza is complete and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.